Best Hatchbacks car for 2025 to 2024 Volkswagen GTI. As we move into 2025, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI has secured its place as the best hatchback car of the year. With its blend of iconic design, advanced technology, and spirited performance, the GTI continues to be a favorite among driving enthusiasts and practical motorists alike. Timeless design with modern flair. The 2024 Volkswagen GTI maintains the classic, timeless design that has made it an icon in the hatchback world. The car's sleek lines, honeycomb grille, and signature red accents deliver a sporty yet refined look. The LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch, while the GTI's distinctive dual exhaust tips and rear spoiler emphasize its performance pedigree. The overall design is both stylish and functional, making the GTI equally at home in the city or on a winding country road. Inside, the GTI offers a driver-focused interior that combines comfort with sportiness. The signature plaid cloth seats, a nod to its heritage, provide both support and style, while the leather-wrapped steering wheel and stainless steel pedals add a premium touch. The GTI's cabin is spacious, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for daily driving without sacrificing its fun-to-drive character. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 GTI is packed with the latest technology to enhance both driving and connectivity. The 10.25-inch digital cockpit display provides drivers with customizable views of critical information, including navigation, vehicle stats, and driving modes. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. One of the standout features of the GTI is its advanced driving modes, which allow drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences. Whether you're looking for a more relaxed drive or something more dynamic, the GTI adapts with ease. The premium audio system ensures that every drive is accompanied by crystal-clear sound, adding to the overall driving experience. Exhilarating performance and precision handling. At the heart of the 2024 Volkswagen GTI is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the GTI offers quick acceleration and smooth gear changes. The car's precise handling, thanks to its sport-tuned suspension and limited slip differential, ensures a thrilling drive on any road. The GTI's braking system provides confident stopping power, making it a well-rounded performer in all driving conditions. Safety and driver assistance. Volkswagen has equipped the GTI with a suite of advanced safety features, including forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. These systems work together to provide a safer driving experience, making the GTI not just fun, but also a responsible choice. Conclusion. The 2024 Volkswagen GTI has rightfully earned its title as the best hatchback car for 2025. With its perfect balance of classic design, modern technology, and exhilarating performance, the GTI continues to set the standard for what a hatchback should be. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just looking for a fun and practical daily driver, the GTI delivers in every aspect.